Hey guys, so this is a demonstration of my 3x4 matrix push button to the Nucleo board. So we have to figure out which I/O we can use for these seven. So I've got four outputs which act as my rows, and those are down here on this lower end of this header on the left side header. And then I have three inputs to the Nucleo board on the right side of the header, the lower portion. So for me, star is the plus sign, and hash is the subtraction. So here, let's do a test. 200 plus 300 or 3000. And then equals is the push button here, so 3200. And then the other push button I have is for clear, and so that just resets all of the arrays or whatever I'm using indexes to 0, and then pushes a new line. So let's do something with multiple operands. 40 minus 10 equals 530. And one of the other requirements were that it can handle any number of operands. So let's do that. All right, and I think that's all I got.